How to install the Walmart app on Android? Need to remove the Walmart app from your Android phone? Let's do it in just a few quick steps. First, on your home screen or app drawer, press and hold the Walmart app icon until a menu pops up. Depending on your phone, either drag the app to install at the top or tap install from the menu. If you don't see install, tap the app info, then tap install at bottom. Confirm by tapping OK, and that's it. The Walmart app is now removed from your phone, and that's how you install Walmart app on Android in just few steps. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment. See you in the next one.